Hi guys, welcome to this episode of the Andro Anglers TV. It's going to be a trick shot day today. We're going to be trying to do a trick shot episode. At the end of this video, I'll be challenging an angler to do his own trick shot video, but I'm pretty much using the same exact setup as the other day. The practice jig, as you see, it's all beaten up. Same reel, same rod, same everything. So I had to go get these trick shots all set up, and then I'll get started with the first one. This one's called the rock bottom. Easy as that, guys. This one's called Bullseye. As I said, Bubba Bullseye. That's called jig chimes. This one's simply called pitching upstairs.